Hello, my dear students. This video I have made for the class 12 students and the chapter is determinant. As you can see, this chapter 4 determinants, I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. So if you have otherwise, determinant is the very simple topic in every board is there. Determinant also comes in the competition like JEE Mains, Advanced and the NDA, everywhere it comes. So you have to understand from the beginning, from the introduction, what is the determinant. It is a very new topic for you. But before that, let me simplify that this topic also very similar to the matrix, and matrix you have read in class 10 and in my earlier video, that chapter 3 matrix, I explained everything about the matrix like addition, subtraction, multiplication, symmetric, skew symmetric, transpose, and how to find the inverse of the matrix by using the L5 rule, in which the elementary row operation. So everything I told in my earlier videos, so you can see in the Study Bright channel. Okay, so let us start the determinant. What is determinant? Determinant, when the matrix came, then determinant come. To every square matrix, of order कुछ भी हो, 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2, 1 cross 1, 4 cross 4, to every square matrix of the order n, and where the elements belongs to real number, this we can associate a unique real number. We can associate a unique real number called determinant of the मतलब मैट्रिक्स, जो भी मैट्रिक्स हो, जैसे ये मैट्रिक्स है, determinant of the matrix A. Before that, in the matrix chapter, in matrix questions, you will not get the answer as the real number. Only you will get the addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix. Every answer in these cases you will get in matrix form. In class 10 also, in 12 also, everywhere. But determinant, what says? You will get a unique real number. This is associated with the square matrix. So एक कोई भी मैट्रिक्स हो, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, उसकी एक रियल यूनिक वैल्यू होती है, and that real unique value known as the determinant. But it should be the square matrix. For example, how to determine the values of this square matrix? There are different types. So I have written the first 1 cross 1, means only one element is there. That is the matrix A, only one element. Then the determinant, when you use the determinant, take the two vertical line. This value means this variable A, which is the matrix A. Now you keep inside the two vertical line. Don't confuse. This is not the absolute value. This is not the modulus. This is the determinant. And this determinant also you can one more form that you can use. This determinant A, इसको ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है, determinant A. तो determinant A is equal to ये square bracket, remove this square bracket, हटा दे, and the two vertical line you put here. This is equal to A. For example, if A is equal to inside that, this is a matrix 1 cross 1, only one element. So the determinant of A is equal to this 6 inside the two big bar is equal to 6. But if you have the minus 6 inside the matrix, inside this bracket, so determinant is also, this is the minus 6. Don't confuse, this is not the absolute value. Means sometimes the student confuses and दिस कैंसिल द माइनस साइन, तो ये नहीं होना है. माइनस साइन यू डोंट कैंसिल द माइनस साइन बिकॉज इट इज नॉट द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. Clear? So this is the 1 cross 1. Now I talk about the 2 cross 2 matrix. This is the 2 cross 2 matrix. When you put the 2 vertical line inside the 2 vertical line, this one means this is the determinant A. Determinant of this matrix is equal to, you multiply by this way, A11 into A22, A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12, like this. This is the result of this matrix, or you can say this matrix means the unique real number of this matrix, means you can say this is the determinant. Similarly, for example here A is equal to 2 3 minus 1 4, तो 2 into 4 minus, ये फार्मूले का है माइनस, and then minus 1 into 3, तो minus 1 into 3, so it will be 8, you can say 8, and plus 3 means 11 is the unique real number which is associated with this matrix. Okay, but this is the determinant now. This is the value of the determinant. Now I talk about the 3 cross 3 matrix and also the determinant. But how to do the 3 cross 3? It is very, before that I tell you something about the determinant. There is one determinant in which use the original sign of the determinant. In 3 cross 3, ये जो तुम्हारा 2 cross 2 है, ये जो साइन आया है माइनस साइन, that is also come from here. Put the like this. There are 5 plus sign and 4 minus sign. When you expand the determinant, means ये जो expand कर रहे थे, then you have to use the sign of the original determinant. ये original sign होते हैं, इसको यूज करना है. कैसे यूज करना है ये है, मैं बताता हूं. If you have the A is equal to 2 3 1 minus 2 1 0 8 6, अभी 0 नहीं लेते हैं, 5 4. Clear? This is the 3 cross 3 matrix. You have to find the value of this determinant. So how to find value of the determinant? You can use this part like this. First of all, select any row or any column that you know the means which one is the row and which one is the column. These are the 3 rows and these are the 3 columns. मतलब इनको जो हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है उनको रोज कहते हैं, and these are the 3 columns. तो columns and rows you must know. Select any one, कोई भी एक रो या एक कॉलम को सेलेक्ट करें. You select, if we select this one as the first row, ये R1 करते हैं, तो इसमें लिखना पड़ता है expand along R1. अगर हमने R2 लिया, then you write the expand along R2. If you take the C1, then means column 1, then expand along the C1, expand along the C2, like this. Now how to expand? First of all, you take first element of the first row. क्योंकि ये हमने R1 लिया, तो इसका first element क्या है? 2 है. You write 2 and draw the 2 imaginary lines, one horizontal and one vertical, which passes through the first element. मतलब इस element को pass करें. तो if you draw the imaginary, ये तो हम ऐसे दिखा रहे हैं, this is the imaginary line, you don't draw like this, and the one vertical line which passes through this element too. Okay. The rest element you will write in the vertical column like this, 1 5 6 4. Okay, these 4, क्योंकि ये कर चुके हैं, you can say these are the cancelled one, and the remaining one 1 5 6 4 in the same order you write inside the, and between 2 and this is the into sign. Clear? Then the second element, this 3. But using the second element, before using the, you must put the sign, original sign. यही हमने बताया था कि इसका यूज कहां होता है कि अगर हम इस रूट की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं तो दिस इज द माइनस साइन फॉर द सेकेंड एलिमेंट. देन यू पुट हियर माइनस, देन राइट द 3 and again from 3 one horizontal line, this which passes through the 3, and one vertical line which passes through the 3, means this middle column. तो अब ये कट गया और ये कट गया, तो what you will have, -2, 5, 8 and 4 are the remaining element. Okay, clear? Now the third is 1 and sign is plus, तो यहां प्लस कर देंगे and 1 is there. Clear? Again multiply here between this, ये ऐसे लाइन कीजिए, one horizontal line जो कि ये खींची हुई है ऑलरेडी, and the one vertical line which passes through this element 1, इससे पास करें. ओके, the intersection should be crossed at the same element जो हमने लिया है. Then the remaining elements are -2, 1, 8 and 6. Then this you can do this one, and now simplify as you have simplified the 2 cross 2, means like this, 1 into 4 minus sign, 6 into 5, that is 30. Clear? Then again this minus this 3 and bracket used, -2 into 4 -8. पहले डाउनवर्ड एरो पहले ऐसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और तब ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अपवर्ड एरो के साथ माइनस साइन, -8 5 14, देन +1 1, ओके, एंड देन ब्रैकेट साइन, -2 into 6 -12, and then -8 into 1 8. Then simplify this one, and after simplifying you will get the answer. So this is the way. But if one thing कि क्वेश्चन arises कि अगर इन एलिमेंट के साथ कहीं पे माइनस साइन हो तो क्या ये माइनस साइन नहीं लेंगे? नो. सपोज यू हैव द -3 here already in the question, then you, but in that case also you will put the minus, ये माइनस जरूर पुट करेंगे, ये -3 यहां पे ऐसे लगेगा in that case. क्लियर? मतलब कि ये माइनस साइन तो रहना ही रहना है, एंड दिस -3 यू विल राइट एज इट इज हियर. तो ये वे है फाइंड करने का. क्लियर? नाउ यू सिंप्लीफाई, यू विल गेट आंसर. तो दिस इज द वे टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट. So one question I am giving you for your homework, you can get the value and expand, because you have so many questions here in the exercise 1 to find the value of the determinant. Okay, so in exercise 4.1 find the value of the determinant, like 3 minus 4 5, any like this, 3 minus 4 5, 1 1 minus 2 and 2 3 1. How to find? Again अब इसको हम डायरेक्टली डिटर्मिनेंट बना देते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द डिटर्मिनेंट. नाउ यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस डिटर्मिनेंट. तो हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट? जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू. नाउ नो नीड टू सी द ओरिजिनल साइन. हमको मालूम है कि कहां कहां पे ओरिजिनल साइन होते हैं. ओरिजिनल साइन प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस, ऑल्टरनेट, ओनली ऑल्टरनेट. अगर हम प्लस से ही स्टार्ट करना है तो प्लस माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस प्लस, और इसके प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, मतलब ऑल्टरनेट प्लस माइनस साइन. सो देयर आर 4 माइनस साइन एंड 5 प्लस साइन. So first of all 3 you take here, then one imaginary line from 3 अब जैसे मान लें, सपोज करें कि अब क्वेश्चन अराइज हुआ था कि इफ यू सेलेक्ट R1 एक्सपेंड अलोंग R1 एंड इफ एनीवन एक्सपेंड अलोंग R2 या एक्सपेंड अलोंग C1, तो whether the answer will differ? No, answer will not differ, answer will be same. हम चाहे R1 के एक और अलोंग एक्सपेंड करें, whether you expand along the C1, expand along the C2, any row or any column you can take to expand, you will get the same answer. You can check at your home. तो अभी जैसे हम ले रहे हैं इसमें expand along, किसके expand ले लें, जैसे मान लेंगे C2, ओके, एक C2 इसके हम ले रहे हैं, क्लियर? So how to do now? First you take the -4. Okay, -4 is there. But before that, also you see the original sign. यहां पे माइनस लगाया यानी कि एक माइनस और आएगा, माइनस देन -4. Okay, and then draw the one horizontal line and one vertical line which passes through the -4. So the remaining elements are 1, -2, 2, 1. So 1, -2, 2, 1. Clear? The first one. Now the second, for this 1 is there, तो प्लस, क्योंकि ये ओरिजिनल साइन हमारा प्लस था वहां पे, and then one line vertical and one horizontal, तो which passes through the this one. तो what elements are remained? ये और ये कैंसिल हो गए, तो 3, 5, 2, 1. Then this 3, when you take this 3 in the original, the sign of the original determinant is minus, तो माइनस हम लगा देते हैं यहां पे और 3 लिख देते हैं, and then bar is there. Again draw the one vertical and one horizontal line. तो अभी क्या एलिमेंट्स बचे? 3, 5, 1, -2. 3, 5, 1, -2. Now simplify by using this arrow. ये तुम लोगों ने क्लास 11th में भी किया है, in the area of the triangle by using the this one in the coordinate geometry. Okay, so it will be minus plus 4, 1 into 1, -2 into 2, that is +4, क्योंकि एक माइनस तो इसका है और एक माइनस साइन यहां पे, तो इट विल बी +4, प्लस 3 1 is 3, -10 multiplied, then -3, 3 into -2, -6, and -5 into 1, that is 5. So it will be 4 1 5, 5 4s are 20, -7 and -11 into 3 plus 33. So 53 minus 7 is equal to 46. 46 is the answer. Now let me clear that if you expand along any other row or any other column, you will get the 46 only, the same answer. तो अब हम इसको फिर से करने जा रहे हैं, that you can check. If you take R3, ये हम ले रहे हैं R3, okay, in that case what you will get? Expand along R3, ये इसके एक्सपेंशन, expand along this, तो mod A is equal to, first element is 2, लेकिन ये हम साइन देख लें, प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस, so it is the plus sign in the original determinant. Okay, one horizontal line, one vertical line जो कि 2 से क्रॉस हो, दोनों एक दूसरे को परपेंडिकुलरली मीट करनी चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं, ये वर्टिकल नहीं है, वर्टिकल इज दिस. Then the remaining elements -4, 5, 1, -2. Then with 3, which sign is there? Minus sign, so -3. One vertical, one horizontal, so 3, 5, 1, -2. Clear? Then plus sign is there, तो प्लस पुट कर दे और 1 है यहां पे, तो 1. then one vertical and one horizontal, 3 minus 4 and 1 1. What you will get? अब मैं इसको तो 46, remember the answer of the first case, that is 46. Okay, तो अब इसको solve करें. That is 2 in bracket multiplied by this way, minus 4 into minus 2, that is 8, and minus 1 into 5, that is 5. Minus 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, and minus 5. Plus 1, 3 into 1, that is 3, and then minus, तो फार्मूले का है, and 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4 into minus, so this will be plus 4. So 8 5 3 to the 6 minus 33 plus 6 5 11 11 3 to 33 and minus plus and plus 7. So you can see there 33 plus 7 40 and plus 6, that is 46. The same answer you are getting. Means you will not get the different answer if you change or expand along the other rows or other column. Means this is the proof of the question, that is you can select or you can expand along any row or any column. So in this video I told you how to find the value of the determinant and what is determinant. So watch the video again and again, you will get the sufficient, and then you can understand well. In the next part of the video I will tell you what is minor and cofactor and the other things of the determinant. Thank you and I have a nice day.